So here it is, my first buy with Tommy Sport, a sub-brand in Tommy Hilfiger, just like Tommy jeans, and they have made it to these clothing lines with their special marks. They have their Tommy Hilfiger markings, but what they have changed with them is this band at the back of the neck. They are not using those Tommy jeans or Tommy Hilfiger stripes, but actually this white stripe for Tommy Sport. And the way they are using these tags is also not traditional how Tommy Hilfiger does. Tommy Sport, and this actually is made in Turkey. This fleece is very high quality, very warm, and as you come down you have these front pockets, straight hems, nicely ribbed sleeves. The color combination, the color saturation, everything is very nice. They have this care labels. They have those informations that you must read every time you have something like this. I'm really impressed with the finish and the decent combination of the colorway between white, gray, red and the black.